Let me now bring on board a very special guest, someone who is the biggest stakeholder of Indian equities, LIC, and the chairman of LIC, Mr. S.K. Roy, joins us. Mr. Roy, what a delight to have you on ET Now. Thank you for joining us. Mr. Roy, in the quarter gone by, which is the October to December quarter, you have reduced your stake in 17 Sensex companies. So why is that? And does that mean that LIC does not believe in the India story?
No, I think, let me clarify that churning of the portfolio is a continuous process as far as LIC is concerned. And obviously, we would need to book profits at regular intervals whenever an opportunity arises. And I think the skill of investment is to take best use of the opportunities that are in front of us. So our Q3 investment strategy has been on those lines. So I don't think that it indicates anything more significant than the need of the corporation to book profits whenever opportunities presented themselves.
Mr. Roy, morning. What is your stance in the Indian banking sector? Because these are not the best of times for the space. If one looks at your operations, you've high stake in select private banks like HDFC Bank and have also participated in the SBI QIP. Similarly, would you also look at Axis Bank paper when it hits the market?
We have, as a sector, we are bullish upon the banking sector, and we have the facility of being long-term players. So we can take a slightly longer-term perspective as far as the segment is concerned. And the inherent strengths of the Indian banking system are strong enough to continue to make us remain bullish on the sector. And that is why we have been increasing our engagement with the banking sector.
Mr. Roy, LIC has managed to outshine private sector insurers in the first 9 months of this year. How much collections are you looking at for this financial year, and how much of that would be allocated into equities next year?
Okay, the target that we have for the current year as far as new business premiums on the life side are concerned is 33,000 crores, and by the end of the third quarter we had crossed 27,000 crores. So the need for the fourth quarter is the balance approximately 6,000 crores that we need to do. I'm sure that we will achieve that figure. The total investments in the equity side, we had started the year thinking that we will do approximately 40,000 crores. But it looks that we will be exceeding that figure by some margin this year.
Mr. Roy, what's your view on the state of the economy? Are we seeing it bottom out gradually?
I believe that, as with many other analysts and watchers, that the economy has got huge inherent strengths, and there are sectors in the economy which have huge inherent strengths. I'm sure that in the coming months and quarters, the economy will do better than what it has done in the